Do your child's hobbies predict their future career? What if I told you your child's future career is already visible, not in their report cards, but in what they choose to do when no one is watching? Yet most parents ignore it, or worse, replace it with what society says is successful. Today so many children are confused, not because they lack ability, but because they were never understood. They were told, focus on marks, choose a safe career, do what everyone is doing, and slowly they disconnected from themselves. Let's understand something very important. Children are not blank slates. Their brain naturally develops preferences. Some love creating, some love solving, some love leading. These are not random. These are early indicators of personality and cognitive wiring. Long-term studies have shown that what children repeatedly do in their free time is strongly linked to the careers they choose later. Interests formed during adolescence often remain stable into adulthood. But here's the key. Interests alone are not enough. Many parents misunderstand this. They either ignore hobbies completely or force the hobby into a career. Both are mistakes because the right career lies at the intersection of interest plus ability plus confidence plus support. Here's what you should do as a parent. Observe patterns, not one time, excitement but repetition. Encourage exploration, not something done under pressure. Notice if there is growth, not just interest but doing something creative. Have conversation, not commands. Ask your child, what do you enjoy? What feels easy to you? What makes you lose track of time? Your child doesn't need a perfect plan. They need a parent who understands them. Because when a child feels seen, they choose better. If this changed the way you think, comment yes below. If you are confused about your child's career direction, DM me help and subscribe for more psychological insights that actually help you raise confident, self-aware children.